Hey, it's Eric here with RegFox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our built-in CRM. Our CRM is a native part of our platform. It will give you a concise picture of every single one of your attendees and registrants automatically for you. It also allows you to create tasks and interactions and do a lot of great things to manage all your relationships. So let's get started and show it to you. So over here under contacts, we're going to click this. And right away, you see we'll have a whole listing and roster of all of our contacts. So whatever you are using RegFox for, all of your registrants and attendees will automatically be added to your contact view here. And we will keep track of them and we'll give you an entire history of everything they do inside your organization. So let's go over here to Dwight. We're going to go over here and view his contact profile. And right away, you can see that we've automatically added his entire event history for you in this nice consolidated view. I can see all the different events he's attended. I can see how much he's paid. I even can go over here and edit his registration or view his records as well. So not only can I see all of his event activities, I can see all of his financial history too. So every payment charge has ever been associated with Dwight is automatically pulled into here. So we give you this nice consolidated view of everything to know about Dwight automatically for you, and you don't have to synchronize or add other third-party integrations or do any of that stuff. It's all built for you right here in RegFox. We also can see contact details. We can see information about him here and also payment methods on file. If I want to build interactions and add tasks to Dwight, I can add tasks in here. So I can add an interaction. I also can add a task. And then I can also add a due date. So I can set a due date here later in the month and hit save. So not only can I add interactions and history, I can add tasks, I also can augment Dwight's profile and add additional information about him. All I have to do is go up here and hit edit. And here I get to edit Dwight's entire profile. And so I can add all sorts of things about him, his public bio, different phone numbers. I can add different contact methods. I can add company information, websites, social media handles, and more. And so I can use this to add additional information about Dwight that the system didn't capture for him. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, I've gone ahead and added some additional details about Dwight for the CRM. I have his bio, both personal and professional. I've added some contact details here. I've also added his company information, his website, social media handles, and more. So that is how you can save and update different contacts. And it's nice because it updates his contact profile card here with a website, social media profiles, and a nice photo. Now, if you wanted to manually add a contact, you can do that. We'll just go back up here to contacts and hit add a contact. And here you can manually add any new contact you want here. And we support both individual people as well as organizations. And then the subtype, we also support customer lead or contact. Now going back here, let's go back and look at our contact list. All right, there's a few more things here in the CRM to show you. We have this contact filter type where you can filter all your contacts down based on a certain type. You can filter all the contacts based on registration page or event. You can sort it based on activity. You also can target your contacts down by location filters. We also have this incredible feature called Contact Insights where we are able to go and augment all of your customer data with known information about them using trusted third-party sources. And we can obtain incredible information such as age range and gender, household size, income ranges, education, and even interests. So Contact Insights is a paid upgrade that can augment your customer data with incredible insights about them so you can build better relationships, target VIPs, better craft your offering, and learn more about your audience. I have a separate demo on Contact Insights you can check out there. So that's the basics of our CRM here. We have incredible features up here, such as our email center and our text messaging platform that allows you to communicate, interact, engage, and market to your existing customer database. So I have different demos on those, so be sure to check those out. But as far as the CRM goes, that's about it for this one. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.